Just landed in LA after the first leg of our trip, and we've already got one fallen soldier. So our buddy Adam had to pull off the highway and check on his bike for some reason. We don't actually know exactly what, but as is usual with any sort of motorcycle trip, there's going to be issues and problems. So hopefully his bike's gonna be all right, and hopefully nothing holds him back from crossing the border tomorrow morning. Yo, what happened?
Something hit my foot on the highway, and so I was like, I don't know if something fell off my bike or what.
Yeah, that's for sure worth checking.
Hey boy, you smell that? You smell that, buddy? You excited?
All right, Friday morning, it's time to head on down. We are currently in LA. We're gonna be riding down to San Diego, and then we're gonna be heading over and crossing the border at Tecate. Now, different bikes that we're on. So I'm on a Ducati Multistrada 1200 Enduro. So it's like the Multistrada, but it rides higher. It's got a huge gas tank, almost 8 gallons. This is Johan. Johan, what is your bike?
It's the new Tiger 900 Rally Pro.
This thing looks so good. Yeah, we both got the same tires for this trip. These are Trail Max, Dunlop Trail Max Missions. So they're technically a 50-50, but because of the way they design them, they really look like, well, they do roll smooth. I've already got 300-400 miles on mine. And the fronts have this nice, grippy, aggressive look to them. And really made a huge difference for me off-road. And then this is Steve's bike. Steve is on the same bike as me. He's on the Ducati Multistrada Enduro. Hey, what tires is he running?
It's the Shinko 705s.
So these are Shinko 705.
70/30.
All right.
Pretty good. Really good for the price too. And
yeah, they last
pretty
they
long.
look really solid. And also Steve's running these Moscow bags. Everybody on the trip seems to really love these as soft luggage. And you know, down in Mexico, soft luggage is really nice because if you're going to get on any dirt and you're going to tip over, you want soft luggage. Speaking of hard luggage and bikes breaking, no, Adam had a little scare yesterday, but it was all good. And you're running, so this is a Suzuki VStrom. You were thinking about getting that Africa Twin, but
Still thinking about it, yeah. But I want the manual transmission, not the automatic.
yeah, that automatic's not going to be the right move.
Yeah, this is the El Burro, the workhorse. It's the 650 cylinder cc.
How many miles are on this?
I've got 53,000 at this
53,000 miles?
point. Yeah, well, I did like 22 going around North America on it. And
22,000.
I've just changed the oil, chain, tires, sprockets. That's it. The thing just doesn't break.
It's just a machine.
It just doesn't break. It's amazing.
And then Greg is on a Ducati Multistrada 1200S touring, and Greg is just running the hard cases that came on the bike, and you can lock them. So if you park and you don't want anybody getting into the stuff, which is not a big concern down there, I have always felt really safe. I feel safer in Baja than I do in most of America. All right, let's hit the road. Of course, we head straight for tacos as soon as we get it. What'd you think of crossing the border?
Easy, simple, didn't even stop. It was pretty,
Johan, did I describe it well enough?
Yeah, you just walk across the line.
Yeah.
It looks like it's recording.
Trying the camera.
What do we say, boys?
Say let's go some dirt.
We are gonna go out there and probably make some mistakes in our life. ¿Dónde estamos?
Bien, muy bien.
¿A dónde estamos? Gringo, where?
I have no fucking idea what you're talking about.
These guys are lagging hard. I just fell in a whole bunch of cactus trying to get these shots, and it's stuck in my ass. Ow. It's on.
Oh my god, it's
Wow. So, Adam, will you explain the situation?
Well, Alex was romping around in the desert trying to get videos of trucks and got a little overexcited. Sounds like he swung apparently wildly and swung right into a cactus. Set his fat ass right in it. It reacted sharply, and now he's plucking cactus spines out of his ass.
Mother.
Cactus do what cactus do.
Dude, those ones are deep. Bro.
Oh, Jesus, they're really
Dude, they're bleeding, bro. Like,
Mama always said, don't play with a cactus.
Oh, that was a good one.
These ones sting.
Hold on,
way
hold on.
more.
There's a little one. I gotta first aid kit too. Dan, that's bleeding a lot.
It's fine, just let it go.
Or something.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I do have that.
That's pretty good, man. that was hilarious, but also not so comfortable. And now we're just about to get on the road again to San Felipe. We'll watch some of the cars, hopefully coming into the start-finish line there in San Felipe. We'll grab some tacos, and then we're heading south to see where we're going to stay for the night. We don't actually even have a landing spot confirmed, but here we go. Everybody say Baja! Baja! Yeah! Damn, oh my god, this is insane. These fucking things are amazing. Man, getting into San Felipe was crazy. There was an insane traffic jam. So we're all pretty tired from the whole thing. We planned on being in San Felipe by 1:32. We got here at 4:30. We just grabbed some beers and some snacks, but we got a long ride ahead of us. We thinking at a minimum we're heading another 100 miles south of here to Rancho Grande, and if they've got something in Rancho Grande, then we'll have a place to stay. If not, we're gonna be on the road probably all the way to either Bahia de Los Angeles or Guerrero Negro, which will make the total day nearly 400 miles, which is a pretty big day. And after you know, and starting the majority of it at 5 o'clock, yeah. Anyways, this is part of the adventure of heading down to Baja, so here we go. How are we feeling about this stretch?
Good.
You feel all right?
I'm not looking. I don't like driving at night in the dark so much, but
Right.
this is it's been beautiful thus far.
How you feeling, Greg?
It might be. I don't know. I don't want to get my hopes up.